Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the ASP.NET. And in this session number 6 we are going to learn another control of ASP.NET, that was the hyperlink control. This control is used if user want to create a link to another page of the project. And here are the some important properties which we will need to select for the hyperlink control. Is the text property. This text is the text which will be appear when user selected. It will appear to the user, and on this link it will be created a navigate URL. This will be the URL to whom we want to send our page. And the third one is the image URL, the image of which will display for the hyperlink. And target, this will be used to specify that whether in which tab of the Google Chrome or the web browser our application page will be run, either in the same tab or in the new tab. There is the only one main event here, and that was the focus. Call this method just like the same as we have already done in the checkboxes in the radio button. And the page load, it will automatically focus here. So now we are going to create this application, and here we will create a new project. Okay, since we already discussed that we always need to run this ASP.NET series with the C#, so we are going to select Windows C#, and here we can use the web element, and you can see that ASP.NET web empty web application is here. And if I want to select it, select hyperlink control, just click OK. This will create a new project for us. Okay, you can see that our project is completed, and I just right click on it and add a new web form for it. Add new web form here, and name this web form as the default one. Take few seconds for creating this page. Okay, we have created the page, and now we are going for the design view. And I think if we are looking for the hyperlink, which is the discussion mode of our today's lecture, and you can see that in the toolbox you can find this standard one. This will be the hyperlink here. Okay, now if I will show the message here, just like this, the education project. And if you want to make this size change from h1, then this built-in functions was here, h2. You can just use the css with this built-in methods, data education project. And now I am creating a link for the data education project, and here is the link. And for this thing I will change it to the justify left one. Okay, justify center. Okay, now in this style I will just click on the hyperlink control, which is the a and underscore here, and you can create the properties of hyperlink property. The main properties which we will want to, for the first property is the text. And for example, you can say that this will be the darsoft. This text will be appeared when we run this application. And the second property is the navigate URL. For example, we are giving the name of the site darsoft.org for example. And the target is used that whether this file is present, display in the present on the black. You have the two methods to set these properties. Either you will need to set these properties in the properties window, or either you can go for the source, and here you can change the properties of hyperlink properties, just like that. Run at is equal to server, navigate URL, and you can change the values here. Now you will need to run this file on the Google Chrome, and then we will check that what will happen here. Okay, you can see that our application is running, and now when we click on the Darsoft, then it will open. Okay, we have localhost here. I think we will need to change this. www will be adding in the file, so we must need to provide http www, because we are making the landing page, so we will inform the http hypertext transfer protocol will be added. Okay, okay, we will click on this Darsoft, and you can see that now it's working. Remember that if you are using on the local host, then you should inform the browser that it will locate this file on the hypertext transfer protocol. This is our website, and here you can watch different kinds of informations, and even you can learn different kind of languages on this uh, website. And this is very informative website. Please visit this website for different kind of tutorial series here. Okay, now we are going back to our program. So we already discussed the three main points here. The properties which is here. One thing is we are still need to understand what is the target, and then we are going to understand the image URL. So first of all, we need to insert the target property, and in this property we are just using the blank property. And now we will run this application once again. Okay, now when I click on this Darsoft link, then you can see a new tab was open, and in this tab you can see the website here, and you can find the other thing here. But when you click on this website link, hyperlink, it will open a new link, because we are giving the property of the link uh, was changing from self to the uh, blank property. That's why a new tab was open. Okay, now we need to understand what is the property of image link property. For this thing, we need to download an image from here, and we are going to find that image. This is a iconarchive.com, and from this site you can download different kinds of icons or images required for your website. Just close this one. Okay, you can find different kinds of images from this website. Now let's suppose we are going to find an image. Let's suppose email icon, save image as here, and save emails. Now open the folder, show in folder, emails. Copy. And now we are going to hyperlink control. Right click on it, and add a new folder here. folder. This is the better exercise that you can save all your files in different kinds of folders. And now I just need to paste this image here. Okay, emails. Now if we want to set the property in the design mode, we just go and click the hyperlink control, and then we will select the image URL property that was just above the navigate URL, and this is the image URL. And when you click on this one, it will open all the folders of your website. Just click on images and then find the email.jpg. For example, this will be the image here, and if we will run this on the Google Chrome, it will show the images like this. Remember that the image precedence is higher than the text property. So if you will use the image property, then this image URL will be at the higher precedence. It means that whenever the images level is correct, then first of all it will be displayed on your screen rather than the text properties will be set. But if due to any reason your link was broken to the images, then at that stage you can say that the text will be appear on the replacement of the image here. Okay, you can see that, and when we click on it, and the soft images was shown here, just like that. And at the end we need to add the just a focus property. That for example we have for example a text box property, a text box something like this, and another text box is here, for example. And we want to show that when the page was loaded, that its property was automatically focused. Then for this thing we need to click on this one. Okay, when the page was loaded, then automatically what will be the our requirement? Hyperlink. We should provide the name of the hyperlink one, and the only property we can say will be the method will be the focus. Okay, now we will run this application. Okay, when you reload this page, then you can see that automatically this image was focused here. A blue line was highlighting this link here. So guys, this is the today's lecture. I hope you can understand this control very well. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.